गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग सीबीएसई 2025 एग्जाम ऑल इंडिया पेपर का सेट 2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसा रीड करता है, ए बैटरी ऑफ ईएमएफ 12 वोल्ट एंड इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस 0.5 ohm is connected to a 9.5 ohm resistor through a key. The ratio of potential difference between the two terminals of the battery when the key is open to that when the key is closed is. You have following 4 options. हम लोग को करेक्ट ऑप्शन निकालना है। जैसे क्वेश्चन दिया गया, क्वेश्चन का अनुसार this will be the diagram. You have battery of EMF 12 volt, internal resistance 0.5 ohm, external resistance 9.5 ohm, and this is the key. And to read the potential difference across the battery, we have connected a voltmeter. Here's the value of E is given, R small r and capital R is given. The first part of the question says that when the circuit is open, when the key is open, no current is flowing through this part, the voltmeter will read the EMF of the cell. So when the key K is closed, switched off, then the voltmeter reads EMF of the cell, that is capital E, which is given as 12 volt. So when the key is off, this voltmeter EMF को read करेगा, which is 12 volt. So E is 12 volt. Now when I switch this on, when this key is switched on, if this key is switched on, then a current will flow through this, and as a result there will be a potential drop across the resistor, and the voltmeter will now read the terminal potential difference of the cell. So that is what it says here. When the key is closed, current flows through the external circuit and the voltmeter reads the terminal potential difference of the cell. So when the key K is switched on, the external circuit draws current I and the voltmeter reads the terminal potential difference V. So in order to get the current in the circuit, it is EMF by total resistance of the circuit. So that is 12 by 9.5 plus 0.5, and that is 12 by 10, and that is 1.2 ampere. That is the current flowing on the circuit. And what this voltmeter will read? The voltmeter will now read V is equal to E minus IR. That is EMF minus the potential drop due to the internal resistance, and that is 12 minus the current and the resistance of the internal resistance of the cell. So this becomes 12 minus 0.6, and that is 11.4 volt. So now the voltmeter will read 11.4 volt. The ratio E by V is required, that is 12 divided by 11.4, which comes out to be 1.05. This part you can also see here, the division is being done, and it is found that this E by V is approximately 1.05 volts. So this option A is the correct answer. Hopefully you have understood it. This question बहुत difficult नहीं था, just the knowledge has to be applied to get this answer. Hope you got it.